Hey everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Chris.
And today we're talking about backpacks
versus suitcases.
And we're also giving you a few tips on how to pack just one bag for long-term travel.
Packing for plane travel requires us to think about things like weight limits, size restrictions, carry-on bags, and extra fees for checked bags.
If you have a straightforward trip from one place to another, then your travel bag choice isn't really that big a deal. But Chris and I have a lot of do-it-yourself approaches to unconventional long-term travel. So we need to carry our own bags on boats, trains, buses, through crowds, narrow city streets, and up staircases. And we like to be super agile when we travel, and our luggage needs to support that. Sure, suitcases fit lots of stuff, and they roll. But the extra weight we'd need to lug around just isn't worth the extra clothing and shoe choices. Okay, a few quick tips on packing lighter. Pack versatile clothing in a similar color palette so you can easily mix and match. Bring a jacket that you can pack down tightly.
Pack only what you need for about 7 or 8 days worth of travel, and then bring some powdered laundry detergent with you so you can do laundry at the end of each week.
Em always seems to forget that this is 5 pairs of my underwear versus 5 pairs of her underwear. And this is 3 pairs of pants versus 1 pair of pants.
Bring shoes that you can wear for long walks during the day and an evening out. Use an ebook like a Kobo or a Kindle instead of packing multiple physical books. If you're traveling with someone else, share things like shampoo and soap, and then buy more as you need it. Figure out what you're going to need more, your tablet or your computer, and then just bring one. Those are just a few ideas. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more.
So when we think about packing all of our gear for long-term travel, and if we should use a suitcase or a backpack, it's an easy choice for us. And big suitcases might stop us from being able to get on fuller buses and trains too. For example, a couple of years ago when we were in Taiwan, we were boarding a coach-style bus for a 2-hour bus ride into a remote part of the country. The cargo area of the bus was already full, so we had to bring our backpacks onto the crowded bus with us. Now, if we had been traveling with full-size suitcases, there's no way we could have dragged them onto the passenger area of the bus with us. So we would have likely had to wait for the next bus, which in this particular case would have meant waiting until the next day of travel, just because of our suitcases. We love how agile our backpacks let us be when we're doing long-term, unconventional travel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe as well for more content like this.